use of this, that, these and those. Let's understand where to use this and that. This and that are used for the singular object or singular nouns. This is used for any object which is near to us or which is near from us. And that is used for any object which is far from us. For example, the ball is near to the boy. So, here we will use this. This is a ball. Similarly, the tree is far from the boy. So, here we will use that. That is a tree. These and those. These and those are used for the plural subject or object. These. It is used for any objects which are near to us. For example, balls. Balls are near to the boy. So we will use these are balls. Trees. Now those trees are very far from the boy. So we will use those are the trees.